In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create videos faster than ever before now that we've integrated our online asset library right into Camtasia. If you don't already have the latest version of Camtasia, make sure to download it from the link in the description below. With this update, the media bin hasn't changed, except now you're gonna see these two tabs right up top. The library, which used to be on the left-hand side, now exists as a tab inside the media bin. And as I was saying before, our online asset library is now available right within Camtasia. So if I'm making a video and I want some B-roll footage of people hiking through a forest, all I have to do is type hiking trail. All right, the first result is the one I'm looking for, kids hiking through a forest with their family. I'm gonna grab this clip and I can either put it on the canvas directly or drag it down to the timeline, which is what I'm gonna do, so it's at the beginning. It's gonna give you this message saying it's downloading the clip. That takes just a second, depending on your internet connection. That's all it took for me to get B-roll right into my video. All right, so I've got the footage I want already on my timeline, but it's missing something. Maybe a little music. If you go back up to the search bar, I'm gonna get rid of hiking trail, and I'm gonna click on this magnifying glass right here to show me the type of media I wanna download. I'm looking for audio, and I'm looking for music. You've also got sound effects and a lot more, but I'm gonna search for folk music. They're out in the woods, feels folksy. Let's see what we've got. We can preview it by double clicking. A little too slow, check another file. Seems right. I'll click on that, drag it down into my timeline, and add it to the beginning of the video. Now let's watch it back. Without filming anything, without having to source any music, all within Camtasia. I've got my footage, I've got my music. If you're looking for still images, sound effects, it's all right there. And that's it. If you don't have automatic updates turned on, make sure to go and check for updates. And if you don't have Camtasia 2023 or newer, hello if you're watching from the future, make sure to go and click the link in the description below and download it now. Thanks for watching.